What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. I am super stoked to say this is a travel vlog. I wanted to say travel vlog, like how I talk to my best friend. What's going on, guys? I'm gonna take you along. We're gonna go to Chicago, check out all the cool spots. You know what to do. Just wanted to start off with the fit of the day. We are wearing Fitbee apparel high-rise compression leggings. And guys, this sweater is a sample and I already placed in the bulk order because this is probably the most essential black sweater I have ever put on. The detailing of the fabric, this is perfect for fall, but I like it. I wear size medium in all tops and it's so nice and like baggy. It doesn't feel tight on my arms at all. So I tuck it in. So it looks like this, but I tuck it in on the side, and it's nice wearing the Fitbee sports bras because of the band on the bottom of the sports bras. Like you could easily tuck in shirts and they stay put, which is always nice. And then I do the same thing in the back. I just tuck in the center of the, look how cute though. Can you see that? Look how cute. Is my butt getting bigger? No, okay. Hope you guys like this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get to it. Okay guys, we just got to our hotel room. Look how cute. Please look at this view. Hi Shamey.
I gotta poop.
Oh god. Look at this view. What?
Bustin'.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And
It's time to get our tweets on.
The what?
It's time to... What did I say? It's time to get our tweets on. What up?
we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Shoot some Fitbee stuff and probably walk around, try to burn as much calories so that way we can eat more. So I brought one of the Fitbee sets. I'm wearing the Floyd blue high-rise compression leggings and the deep V-shape sports bra. I'm just throwing on the everyday tank in Muir just so I'm not like naked on the streets. So we're gonna go to a location, we're gonna shoot the set, and yeah, I'm so excited. Hopefully we get a dope shot. But yeah, okay, cool. Where are we at?
We're in Chicago. Oh, where are we really? So we're in Milton, Olive Park. About to take some 3-6 shots. Back.
Okay guys, we got fire cakes, donuts. Shamey took a bite of one already. We were supposed to do a review. Okay, we're gonna sit down and review these donuts. Are you excited?
I'm tired of eating.
Okay, so we went really late, so we only got like 3 different donuts. It was the old, what was it? Buttermilk old fashioned glaze. The naked old fashioned, which I'm assuming because this one's naked, it has no like frosting on it. And then they had a jelly one. Shamey already took
Already
a
ate
bite
one.
of one.
See?
How was it?
It was good.
It was good?
Yeah. I like it.
I'm just a fat ass. I just love donuts.
Well, you gonna say?
It's really good. I feel like my silence speaks for itself. Okay, this is the naked old fashioned. Try it. I need to wash my hands. Is it good?
I like it. I like this one a lot. It's like biscuits.
Wait, it tastes like a biscuit? It's very subtle.
That's
Pretty good. I could see someone like eating this with like coffee or something.
Yeah.
Or is that all donuts?
They're made for dipping.
And last is our jelly. We'll try this one. I didn't get any jelly. I guess I'll take another bite.
Uh-oh.
I think the only jelly filled donut I do like is the Krispy Kreme raspberry jam, like jelly one. That's the only Krispy Kreme donut I like. I think these are still good, not gonna lie.
Oh yeah. Better than anything we'll ever get.
Okay, that's it for our review.
I need ice cream.
They had ice cream there.
They're pulled out.
True. No, their sandwiches were sold out.
They put ice cream on top of a donut sandwich. There it is. That's all.
Oh, okay. That was our review of fire cakes. I would say 10 out of 10 because I give everything 10 out of 10.
I say for the time that we had went, it's a 10 out of 10.
Oh yeah, it was a good. It was
2 hours before they close.
Yeah. I probably have sugar all over my mouth. Okay.
And all over our bed.
Okay, thanks for tuning in. Say bye, Shamey.
Ta-ta.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number.
It's slippery. I can't hold it. Okay, this is peach what?
Peach vodka.
Peach vodka. I'm gonna chase it, take a shot, and I'm gonna throw it at this bell. It's melting in my hands. Okay, are you guys ready? Oh gosh.
Way.